I hope you can able to see my screen. Okay. Now, what is the for loop? Okay, what is the for loop? Why we need to use the for loop? First thing. Now we are going to do this example here. Before that, you should have to understand what is the for loop exactly. Like if we are updating, if we are inserting multiple records, if we are inserting like 500 records or 1000 records, or we are automating based on one condition, like some lakhs of records should be updated. Then we need to use a for loop. If you are using a bulk records, if you are using a bulk record, it will be for loop. It will be under if you're using a if you're using a for loop, right? It will go in a loop. It will go in a loop section. And based on that, it will give the data back to back, back to back, back to back based on the condition. It will non-stop. How many records, how many data, how much data it's storing in the Salesforce depends on that. The for loop, it will work on the particular one, particular condition. Based on the condition, the for loop, it will work. It's a non-stop. If you are using a bulk records, then we can able to use a for loop. Like for example, if you want to get in account of that, I'm having 100 records. I want to get the 100 records. Then you should have to use a for loop. No, actually, I want to update the 100 records. You should have to take a for loop. From the for loop only, you can able to get all records. You can able to update and insert, and you can delete the records. Clear, guys? Clear,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
guys. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Example. Okay. This example I'm showing you how it will work exactly. Now, if I want to make I want to execute, if I execute this code, the integer should become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. The numbers I want to get 1 to 10 from the using of for loop. If you're using this, then you should have to use a for loop. They're having a formula. What the formula here? It's a syntax. For loop, okay, integer I is a variable, okay, equal to 0, equal to 0. Then I less than equal to less than equal to 5 means it will give 0 to 5. It will give 0 to 5. It will not it will not give more than that. It will give only I is a integer. Okay, in the integer, what I'm inserting here first is 0, and I less than equal to 5 means it will give the data 1 to 5 only it will give. So like I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this case, I should have to use I plus plus. I plus plus. Okay. Now, if I execute system.debug, values, okay, and here I is a variable, correct? I is a variable. If I execute right, then what will happen here exactly? For loop, if I execute this one, then you can able to get the data 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this, you can able to get. Okay. If I removing 5, if I'm maintaining 99, okay, means it will give data from 0 to 99. It will give the data 0 to 99. How it will work here? Execute, debug only 99. Okay, clear? Guys,
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
now it's a now it's a for loop. Okay, it's a for loop. It's a big example, it's a basic only. You will get real time also. I will tell you how we need to do a real time. Now second method. Second method, it's a while loop. While loop. Public static while loop example. Okay, while loop example. So here, in case I'm using integer a equal to 1. Okay, a equal to 1. Now, for example, I will use here instead of a, I will use count. I will use count. Okay. Now I'm using a while, like COU and count. Count. What is the value here? 1. Correct. So here, what is the value in the count? I'm storing 1. Count less than equal to 5. Less than equal to 5. If I mention here system.debug, okay, if I mention a count, here. So what I will do here, I want to do count plus plus. I want to do here count plus plus. So whenever I do a count plus plus, then how it will give the error, how it will give the value exactly. So see here, count is 1 less than equal to 5. Read. So see here, values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same as it is. For loop and while loop, it will work same logic. It will work same logic. Here, what we are using here, we are using while and we are using here for. It's a difference. Clear? This like this also we can able to do, and like this also we can able to do. So as per your easiest, which is one easy, you can go through it. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Hello? Guys,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
now for each loop. Okay. Now what is the difference between for loop, for each while loop and for each loop? See, the three things are the in the backend functionality, it will be work same only. It's not a difference. It depends on the developer logic. The developer person, whatever he inserting the logic, whatever he mindset, he will go on that way. Like some developers, they will choose this option. Some developers, they will choose this option. Some developers, they will choose this option. Now, public static void for each loop example. Okay. Now, see, I want to add number of mails. Okay, names. I want to add number of names. Like we have done this integer, correct? 1 to 5. Now I want to, if I for each loop for the help of for each loop, using collection in the sense a list of collection the list method is there, right? List set map. With the help of the list method, I want to get the bulk of names. I want to insert bulk of names from the list method using for each loop. First of all, I will use list, and inside that I will insert the string. Names is a variable. Okay, equal to new list string, new list string. Okay. Then what I will do, I will insert here names like the I already showed you example in the first class, right? Developers like third class or fourth class. Hemant,
Yes. Yes.
Bhargavi, Varsha, and Harika. Okay, and Punit. Okay, this is I'm using a bulk of names. This data I'm storing in this name. So how I can able to get the data like this? Sorry, it will not work. So line wise, I want to get the data. For example, I'm using here system.debug show name. Okay. Guys, I don't want to explain a lot of things because you will get confused. That's why I'm showing you simple only because you should have to understand very clearly. Okay, so it's a for loop. It's a for each loop. If I execute this one, let's check how it will work. Execute. If I debug only, right, then data is showing like this. But I don't want like this data. I want horizontally. I want like this data. I don't want horizontally. I want vertical data. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. So how I need to do if I want the data like this, so I should have to use a for loop. For loop. Then in the list of then what I'm using string, correct? String, copy the string, st, and this collection variable. In this name, I'm storing these are all the data, correct? This name I'm passing here. This name I'm passing in this for loop. Okay. So what will happen here exactly? So whatever the names you have mentioned here, right? They are storing in the names. The name I'm adding a for loop, and this name I'm storing in the new variable. New variable. This is new variable. I'm pasting here. I just click save. That's it. So whenever I execute this one, whenever I execute this one, debug only, you can able to get the data like this. Clear? Everyone?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Just practice this. Okay. We will connect tomorrow. I already have shared the PDF, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just practice, like, don't copy that one. Like, try different way because it's
Okay.
helpful to you to practice more.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bye, guys.